Everyone, today I'm going to do a demo of a tool called k9s. It's actually an extremely useful and beautiful tool to manage Kubernetes clusters. To install this tool, it's totally free. To install this tool on your Mac, all you have to run is this brew install command. I'm not going to run this right now because I already have it installed. I have a cluster running in Google Cloud whose name is cluster1, and I can show you that I'm already authenticated against it. So if I run my kubectx command, you will see that one of the contexts I have is this one, and this is on demo 3 project in US Central 1C. Cluster 1 is the name of the cluster that you can see in the console for on GCP. So now that I'm connected, all I'm going to do is run the tool k9s. It's a little bit slow because I think because of the connection. Anyway, first thing you will see is it's showing me all the pods running in all the namespaces in my first screen. Looking, by the way, this works like VI kind of. So for example, if I want to quit out of it, I do :Q and I'm out, and I can go back in. Again, there's a couple seconds delay there. I can navigate using the down and up arrows, but I can also do the same thing like VI, J, and K and whatnot. So let's take a look at this pod. So let's click enter, and it's telling me the containers that are running, there are two containers that are running as part of that pod. So what can I do with it? So if I put it, and you can see that at the top, there are all this help that you already get. So you don't have to look anything up. So for example, let's just say if I needed to get some help, I will do question mark, and it's giving me all the commands I can run to do all kinds sort of things. So just like VI, I can press escape to get out of it. What else can I do? What about logs? There may not be any logs, but if by pressing L, I can see the logs. Looks like either there are no logs or it's a little slow. Let me press escape to go back. This is the screen where I see the two containers for the given pod. I press escape again to go back to the pod window. What can I do? What about, let's see, I can describe the pod, and it's giving me all the details about the pod. All I had to do is press D. Go back again. I can edit the pod. So if I press E, it opens up the YAML file that was used to create the pod to begin with. And if I actually make an edit, it will make the change on the fly. As you can see, this is extremely powerful, and you have to be really, really careful. So to get out of this, I can do Q again. Back to my pod screen. What else can I do? I think if I press N, I will see the node this pod is running at. And again, I'm back. I can do the similar commands. I can actually delete this node if I want to. So if I press D, it will. Actually, D is this describe. I apologize. That's not the correct. To delete. Oh, I can drain this node. Let's see if it lets me do it. R. It gives me an interactive windows asking me if I really want to do this or not. You get the idea. You can do just about anything you can do using k9s that you could do with kubectl commands. So again, it's very useful, it's free, and people use it all the time. I hope you found this video useful. When we will see you next time.